You Pick Vids, Cutest Animal Edition. Piggy adores animals, but he can't decide who to crown as the cutest. Can you help? Whose cheeks would you rather pinch, an otter's or a meerkat's? Which animal would drive you quackers with cuteness, penguin or duck? Gecko or sea turtle? Would you pick a panda or a raccoon? Chipmunk or lemur? Would you rather make Piggy happy by liking and subscribing, or make this cat very sad by stealing its stuffy? Mouse or pig? Do you love a llama or a quokka? Would you rather chill with a chinchilla or a parakeet? Wolverines sound tough, but they're so cute. Are they cuter than a deer, though? Who would you rather hang out with on the farm, a Highland cow or a goat? Pygmy marmoset or a margay? Bat-eared fox or red panda? Classic competition, the tortoise or the hare? This one's so hard it stinks. Do you think a koala or a skunk is cuter? Ladybug or snail? Seal or elephant? Which do you find unforgettably cute? Goldfish or tree frog? Fox or dog? Did we save the hardest for last? I think so. Hedgehog or sloth? Piggy wants to know which animal he should give the crown to. Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.